Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal pudding. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of your preferred milk, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Don't forget a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious and comforting treat. Let's get cooking. Now, let's get to the cooking process. In a medium saucepan, combine your rolled oats, milk, sugar, and salt. Place the saucepan over medium heat. Stir the mixture frequently to prevent sticking and ensure even cooking. Continue cooking for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until the pudding thickens to your desired consistency. Once thickened, remove it from the heat and stir in the vanilla extract for that perfect finish. Your delicious oatmeal pudding is almost ready to enjoy. You can serve it warm for a comforting treat, or chill it in the refrigerator for a refreshing dessert. To elevate the experience, consider adding some delightful toppings. Fresh berries, chopped nuts, or a drizzle of honey are excellent choices. A sprinkle of cinnamon or nutmeg can also add a wonderful aromatic touch. Enjoy your homemade creation. For any leftover oatmeal pudding, simply store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, making it a great make-ahead option. When you're ready to enjoy it again, you can gently reheat it on the stovetop with a splash of milk or warm it in the microwave. And hey, if you're looking to enhance your home, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.